Why do I feel so sad? Why can't I shake the pain off? My mind is constantly thinking about them. I can't focus, I can't think straight. What do I have to do to get this pain to just go away? Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many of us can relate to, and that's how to fix a broken heart. Whether you've recently gone through a breakup or experienced a loss, we understand how tough it can be. The first step in fixing a broken heart is to allow yourself to grieve. It's important to acknowledge your emotions and give yourself permission to feel sad, angry, or even confused. Take the time to cry if you need to, because this is a great release. Engaging in self-care activities is also crucial during the healing process. It will give you the ability to gain perspective. Next, surround yourself with a support system. Reach out to friends and family who can offer a listening ear or a shoulder to lean on. Your friends and family are there for you. Lean on them, confide in them, and let them shower you with love and encouragement. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Exercise, eat nutritious meals, and engage in activities to bring you joy. Remember, this is your time to rediscover yourself. Whether it's going for a walk in nature, practicing yoga, or indulging in your favorite hobby, these activities can help distract your mind and improve your overall well-being. Additionally, consider seeking professional help if you're finding it difficult to cope. Therapy, counseling, or a coach can provide you with the tools and support needed to navigate you through the challenging time that you face right now. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Finally, give yourself time. Healing a broken heart takes time, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Understand that it's normal to have ups and downs during the healing process, but with time, you will start to feel better. Set goals and envision your future. Take this opportunity to define who you want to be, and the dreams and aspirations that you visualized, make sure that you're working towards them. Let them be the driving force to your recovery. Give back and engage in activities that help others. Not only does this shift your focus away from your breakup, but it also reminds you of the positive impact you can have on the world. Embrace the pain. It's normal to feel hurt, angry, or even lost after a breakup. Start journaling and write down your thoughts, fears, and your dreams. Journaling can be incredibly therapeutic and helps you gain clarity and perspective. Open yourself up to love again. It may feel hard to trust after a heartbreak, but remember, love is a beautiful thing. Take your time, but don't close yourself off from new possibilities. Getting over a breakup may seem impossible, but remember, you are strong, resilient, and deserving of love. That's it for today's video. We hope these tips will help you fix your broken heart and find happiness again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and empowerment after your relationship breakup. And if you are trying to re-attract an ex, I've got more videos on the channel, so take a look on the playlist just over here. Remember, you're not alone, and we're here for you. Take care, and until next time, I wish you peace and happiness.